To search in Windows 11, click the Search button in the taskbar. Alternatively, click into the search field in the taskbar or press the Windows key and begin typing. When you first open the search interface, you will see a default view with several sections. At the top are Quick Searches, which show suggested searches such as system settings or commonly used features. You can click any item in this section to perform that search. Below that is the Top Apps section, which shows commonly used applications. You can click any app icon in this section to open it. At the left side of the search interface, you may also see a Recent section that lists recently opened apps or items. You can click any item in this section to reopen it. To perform a search, click into the search field and begin typing the text for which to search. As you type, the search interface changes to display categorized results. These categories appear across the top of the results area and may include options such as All, Apps, Documents, Web, Settings, Folders, and Photos. You can click any category to filter the results. The search results appear below these categories. The Best Match section shows the item Windows determines is most relevant to your search. Additional sections, such as Apps or Settings, may appear below it. To open a result, click it in the results list. When you select a result, additional information appears to the right side of the search interface. This area shows a larger preview of the selected item and a list of related actions. For example, when selecting an app, you may see commands such as Open, Unpin from Start, Pin to Taskbar, or App Settings. You can click any available command to perform the selected action. To close the search interface without making a selection, click the Search button in the taskbar again, or click outside the search interface. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.